And that's what I heard last night. 2 solid knock sequences. One over here, one over there. Then he pulled the handle. I think it was a he. And I don't think it was the cops. I think it was just some homeless guy or something. Like, what the heck? Frick. That's why you lock your doors, guys. Like, jeez, man. What did he want? I know before they've like tried to like knock and they've said someone else's name, so they thought I was someone else, but I wasn't. So there's that. Oh my gosh. Well, good morning, guys. Lock your freaking doors and be safe out there. What the heck? I don't know what that guy wanted. Dude, what the heck? Yeah, 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. he was do over here and then do over there and I don't think it was a cop because usually cops are like more like, they're more subtle and like more polite and like they don't try to, I mean, even though that guy in Denver like shut at my door. And then also I would have heard the cruiser too go off, I'm pretty sure. I would have heard his car go off or leave or something, and I don't think this guy had a car, so what the heck, man? Leave me alone at night. So freaky, man. My heart was racing. Whew. Oh, man. So anyways, gonna do some stuff today, and I thought I'd talk about, obviously that situation, and, see if there's anything going on with the right wheel here, my car, and then, there was oh yeah, and then, go over, like, how to rotate spots when there's security, lawn work, other things, and people that might catch you or see you, or so you won't get in trouble. But right now I gotta go do some things, so catch you in a bit. Oh no, this tripod is broken. Beep 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 beep. Oh, so that order was already taken. Somebody already took that order, I guess. Oh, what the frick! I told you this thing's broken. So yeah, unfortunately someone took that order, and caused a big problem because I was waiting there for 10 minutes. I'm like, what the, I haven't seen this order. So I asked them, and the lady is like all upset, like, hey, what is going on with the order? And I asked, and someone took it, and then I had a contact chat and all that, support and whatever. So I just get half pay for that order. DoorDash is doing a new thing where they're doing like hourly, where you get like $12 an hour or something, so you can like opt into that. And I said no, because I don't know what's better, $12 an hour. Who knows? Maybe some orders, if the orders are like absolute junk. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, there we are, illuminated by the red light. Oh, wow, it's green. So what I was saying before, or the main segment of the video, as I fade into black again, oh jeez, is that I think it's important to have schedules for your spots and know what's happening. Oh my god, this guy's gonna hit me. What the heck, dude? I think it's important to have schedules for your spots. What is this guy doing, dude? And with the schedules, know like what's happening with your spots. And I mean, this is if you need multiple spots, I guess. I don't know if some people don't, some people just have one spot, I guess. But for my situation, I have to have multiple spots, and I have to know the schedules of the spots. And yeah, and you need to know what days, what days are what, and what the heck with these people? Oh, another red light illumination. But yeah, know your spots and know the schedules. Like, it was a Saturday that I got kicked out, that the security guard kicked me out, and then I didn't go for like a month or whatever. And then, alright, I'm back. Got the things up. Got all the covers up, but yeah, I remember it was a Saturday because I went back a month later and he was there on a Saturday. So Saturday morning, walking around. And so I was like, oh shoot, Saturdays, can't go there. Mondays, they have landscaping, so you can't go there. Friday, in another spot, landscaping, can't go there. So yeah, you just gotta learn your schedules and learn what to do and learn everything and plan accordingly to that schedule. So sometimes you'll just go and you'll forget and you'll be like, oh shoot, this is not good, and it's not. trash days, you gotta go, you gotta do that. So yeah, learn your schedules and stick to them. I'll see you guys yeah, have a good night.
Show